Try it free for 3 days with 20 million input tokens, 10 million output tokens, 25 Opus messages, and all models included. No card. I'm switching the site to English, and we are in. Here are the models you can use. GPT 5.6 Sol, Terra, and Luna. GPT 5.5, Codex, and Claude Opus 5. Luna is fast and free. Codex is built for coding. Opus is the strongest model. The limits are visible before you start. The trial includes 20 million input tokens, 10 million output tokens, and 25 Opus messages. Usage is charged by the actual tokens consumed, with spending shown for each model. The documentation covers Codex CLI and third-party clients. The API is compatible with OpenAI clients, including Cline, Continue, Cursor, Aider, and Zed. The browser chat needs no installation, while the terminal agent can read files, make changes, run commands, and check results. Now I create an API key in the account settings. The key appears once, and the service keeps only its hash. For this recording, the full key is entered openly and revoked afterward. Codex will read it from the AmoryMe API key environment variable. I open Windows PowerShell in a fresh window. Everything that follows stays in this same terminal, so the environment variable will be available when Codex starts. No hidden clipboard steps, and no key stored in the configuration file. First, install the Open Codex CLI package. Then create a small project folder and initialize its Git repository. The agent will work inside this folder, where it can create the page, run its checks, and leave the finished result ready to open. The configuration selects AmoryMe as the provider and Opus as the model, with high reasoning effort. It also removes command approvals, enables full sandbox access, turns on the unified execution tool required on Windows, and trusts this exact project folder. The provider uses the responses protocol and reads the key from the environment. In the same PowerShell window, I set the environment variable to the key created on the site. The value is visible for the recording, but it never goes into the project or the Codex configuration file. Now, Codex starts with one short command. The provider, Opus model, reasoning effort, project trust, sandbox access, and execution behavior are already defined in the configuration, so there are no extra launch flags. I describe the result, not its implementation. Build a small, interactive gravitational laboratory as a single page, with a live animated Starfield and one button that changes its speed. Opus chooses the structure, writes the code, runs commands, and checks the result. The model takes the time it needs, while the recording speeds up only the picture, never the narration. And here is the finished page. The Starfield moves live, and the button changes its speed. This is what AmoryMe offers in the terminal, an agent that reads the project, edits files, runs commands, and checks its work. OpenAI.amoryme.com. Start the free 3-day trial and give your first task to Codex.